everyone, this is Marianne, and here's my YouTube plugin that I'm working on. And this video is just like how am I working on this. So this is hosted on localhost, which means it's a HTML code file. And actually, let's checking this. Like here's my Claude I think it's currently running a code. Actually, it might have just finished. So we added an option, for example, to speak my thoughts instead of writing new badges to achievements and so on. And the way that I work is that I have this file called bug fixes June 2026, and I have this long list of like ideas that I want to fix. But currently I prioritize the ones that I want to get done today with this smiley emoji. So actually I'm just now going to check if I got this done. This was the last my previous ask or request for Claude. So I'll check this whether there is at least 4 different words. The user has to write at least 4 different words and don't accept I do not know, and AI has to understand the response so that we know that the user actually answers the question and doesn't do just random words. So yeah, so I'll be checking those issues for now, and let's see how it is. So we're here, overcome your YouTube addiction, and this idea is to like you can use YouTube, but you will pause to reflect in writing before you continue, and it's an entirely different user interface. So what do you want from YouTube right now? For example, I want to watch Mr. Bean, so actually I am going to watch Ali Abdal. I just want to check whether this actually, ooh, this is cool microphone. I might have to actually change that icon to more traditional one, but let's test it out. So let's say this time Ali Abdal achievement evidence-based. Oh, that's actually quite nice. Only that the name is not exactly right, but yeah, that was a foreign name, so yeah. Evidence-based. So let's see what we get. Continue. We want what resonates, want to learn, want to feel better, want to be inspired. Let's say, just for the sake of choosing, want to feel better. I'm currently feeling, let's say, a little bit anxious because I want to get my today's goals done quickly, and it's almost night. Actually, my brain works the best in the night, so I'm not really so anxious right now, but a little bit maybe. Ooh, achievement unlocked, thoughtful. Nice, thank you. How many minutes do we want to spend? Let's go with 15. I could change here, and it shows here, but I'm gonna go with 15. Okay, finding videos. Yes, perfect. It found the video that I had in mind. This one's one of my like bug fixes there that I wanted to check that where do I have the search. Let's improve search results. So yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, so continue, and here we have the video, and it doesn't autoplay, so I have to actually click it somewhere.
In this video, we're going to talk about 5 pretty easy
and yeah, the sound is working. I'm just gonna test if let's go to full screen.
evidence-based things you can do to massively increase the chances that you're actually going to achieve your goals. Now, obviously, when it comes to actually setting and achieving goals, generally the things.
Let's go back to minimize for now. That's working. So let's say I continue. There's also exit and save 15 minutes today, but I will just because I want to test where it goes. So your intention. Okay, so I don't have this option right now. I will do it next. Connect to Google Calendar, but I will try to test this as well. So what are you going to do after today's video session? I will set up the Google Calendar connection in Claude Code to this app. That's pretty cool. Continue. I'll set up Claude Code. Cloud Code, okay. 30 minutes saved. This calculator is still wrong, so I will just write this here. Fix the counter, the minute saved counter at the end. So here, videos. Okay, this could be also look like a block here, so let's write that as well. I will turn the videos text in the end screen. Turn the videos text into a similar block than the next action block, but have it different color. Say yellow, or actually let's say gray. Gray with white text. Make sure enough contrast in both blocks. Actually, this is a good point. Make sure run an accessibility test and make sure contrast is enough. Just like that, I think it's enough. Alright. Now it's time to take these. Actually, this needs some more detail. Fix the minute saved. Green. Oops. So that the minutes saved are max the total duration of the videos from the session, and it should match the exact minutes that user skips, exact number skips, either with increased video speed or skipping the entire video. Alright? Make sure that exit save x minutes button leads to the end flow. I think I'm gonna do it alright. So here we have these ones, and this one, and this one. So let's copy these. I will copy here. Let's update the plugin. Also, this one was today. Chapter button. Actually, I needed to test that before I run my code. I don't have any more emojis here. Oh, this one. Did I already take that? 1, 2. Okay, yeah. Yeah. So let's test whether the words are like I have to. Let's test. Like let's try to cheat a little bit. So, going to watch. I wonder if it's. I don't mean to have it here, but let's test what happens. Okay, yeah. This is an issue. So I didn't mean this. So let's fix this. The word limit should be minutes. Should not be for the video input field video search. Part of the rings. Okay. Okay, so here we should have it. But let's test. Just there's at least 4 different words. So let's take just random, like random. Let's try to cheat a little bit. Oh, it's just different. So go. Yeah, it's okay. It's not really giving good feedback. So let's add instruction. Also add more accurate feedback if user tries to cheat or tries to avoid question. Let's see if user tries to skip the question. Answering the question with feedback based on what they write and what were the requirements. Again, answer honestly and use at least 4 different words. Okay, let's have that. I don't know if it's. I just want to get this thing done. So let's see if it understands. Okay. Yeah, it's working, so I think I can run. So with this, these are kind of minor changes, and oh, it's for the Google Calendar connection. For minor changes, I would have changed the model to Sonnet and get it medium or high. The lower the model, the more the more it will save tokens. But right now I have tokens, so I can use the Fable 5, and it's good for these complex tasks like create a real Google Calendar connection. So let's see how it goes. And here it shows the preview. It's kind of crappy right now, but yeah. We also see it here, or usually once it has started, it will kind of move. This will move around a little bit. Let's actually see. Okay, so it's just processing it for now because it was such a long and complex. Like there's so many different stuff to do. So yeah. I also recommend having this kind of overview. This is my intentional YouTube plugin. Milestones, project milestones. Excuse me. And my goal is like it's good to have like this goal, like a clear goal. And here, I have. Okay, so let's check. Oh, I actually did run out of tokens. I thought I was fine, but apparently I wasn't. Yeah, I see. It's like I can show. Here's like here we have the tokens. And oh, apparently it was such a complex request, it would have used all of this, I think. So now I have to wait 3 hours and 34 minutes until I can continue, which is fine, I guess. So yeah, I have already worked today a lot. I wish they were a little bit longer though, but it's fine, I understand. They have their pricing models. But yeah, that's how I would have worked, and it has already worked that way for some time. So yeah, but I was saying that it's good to have these milestones, at least for me, so that I know like where am I going in the project, or like overall, and then I can kind of stick. Like this is currently in process. But yeah, I'm hoping to tomorrow get this done, and also this, like once I get over the like this part, like the having it the way that I want, like these ones are very fast. I already once had it as a plugin. So yeah, I think this is for now, this video.